What's going on, fellas? Just want to give you a little update on my sobriety. 4 weeks going, no alcohol, no tobacco. Feeling really good, fellas. It's a blessing. My spirits are getting better about the whole decision I made. Anyway, this video you're going to see, this is another must-have Mustang video. The reason I'm doing these is because I love Trans Am. I love the Mustangs and the Camaros of the mid 60s and 70s. The racing in Trans Am was just incredibly competitive, and it still is. You can still see Trans Am. They have live races on YouTube. In fact, I just watched one recently from the land down under. It was all Mustangs and Camaros in there, all Ford Chevy, but man, these guys are just a super highly competitive race circuit. And Scalexric puts together some really fine detailed scaled 1/32 Trans Am series cars. And lately I've been doing the Mustangs, but I have a couple of Camaros and a race that we're going to do, a Trans Am race. I know Eric Wildman, I think he wants to see the race. It'll be a race. It'll be done here. And it may end up going 2 out of 3 to finish it. But anyway, it'll be bragging rights for the Ford Chevy lovers in the slot car world. Anyway, enjoy the video. I had a fun time doing this. This is just a beautiful car. It's a Parnelli Jones George Foamer race car from 1970. Anyway, enjoy the video. In the SCCA Trans Am series, Parnelli Jones and George Foamer teamed up in the number 16 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in 1969, with Jones winning 4 of the first 10 races and Foamer winning at Bridgehampton, laying the groundwork for a dominant 1970 season. In 1970, Jones and Foamer returned to dominate the Trans Am season, with Jones winning the championship and Foamer placing third.